watching the channel right now, I would really like you to take a moment to just like and subscribe. I'm really seeing a lot of the traffic coming to the videos are not currently subscribed. So if you guys could please subscribe, and if you are subscribed, hit that bell button. It makes a world of difference to the channel, to the algorithm. So I really appreciate you watching. Have a lot of fun making these videos. What's up, guys? We are back, and you know what? Today I am super excited because, as you see, I got the Ninja 500 in the back. I'm finally gonna get the chance to take it out on track. I finally got schedules to match, finally got the weather to work, and now is gonna be the real first test day. So I am excited to see what this bike can do in comparison to the Ninja 400. I'm hoping that it'll, at least on this first day, fresh tires as well, I'm hoping that I should be 2 seconds faster than my best race pace. So that's what we're shooting for. I think it's very possible, especially if you have a nice open clean track. I'm hoping there's not a lot of bikes, not a lot of traffic, so I can at least be able to put down 3 or 4 at pace laps so I can build it into something good. That's the thing about the Ninja 500 or little bikes, lightweight bikes in general, is that if you get thrown off your pace in just one corner, it's gonna completely destroy the whole lap because you don't have the gas to open up and save you, to kind of stay at pace and gradually click off time. Yeah, we are headed to the track. I'm loaded up. I'm hoping for really good track conditions, and I'm really excited to really see what this bike can finally do. Stay tuned, and I'll keep you guys updated here. Guys, so couple of sessions complete now. I'm gonna run one more session. As you saw, my lap timer died, so I'm gonna do one more session, but this time I'm gonna make sure lap timer's charged. This reservoir little bracket that I kind of fabricated myself out of one of these wire holders, it just snapped. So I'm hoping this will last for at least a session. It's kind of partially on, partially off. Also, the clutch lever somehow got super tight and tightened itself out. So I kind of readjusted it, got nice and put a lot of play in it because it was kind of, it was slipping a little bit. But still, the bike is already matching my 400 best race pace, and I'm just here on the track day just spinning some laps. So I'm definitely looking forward to what the bike can do for sure. So yeah, look forward to the next session here. It's going to be lap timer, and it's going to have the camera. I'm going to pull the footage off the camera and see what the times are out of curiosity. But yeah, I think it's going to be a good one, guys, so stay tuned.
Hell yeah.
And it's a piece of shit, but it feels so good.
So it's about this point that I realized that everything on the bike is actually working really good. The clutch is no longer slipping. The makeshift reservoir fix is working. So I see some traffic up ahead and I'm like, you know what? Once I clear this traffic, I'm going to see if I can put down a lap on it, like a real good lap. As you can see here, I'm already on a bit of a heater of a lap. I pulled a few tenths off of that one, and I was already on a 45 lap, which is 1 second faster than my race pace on the 400. But I figured, you know what, I'm going to try to push even a little bit more on this next lap, only because I had so much clean track ahead of me. The track surface was warm and it was really starting to come in, so here we go.
Six, boys! 44.6! Let's go! This is a serious bike. The power delivery is completely different. Unlike the 400, you can't just smash the gas. You gotta be a little easy on it. If you notice, a few times my rear got loose. With all the suspension swapped over, with the pressures working right, with the brakes working right, with the clutch lever working right, this is a serious machine. It gives you everything the 400 did, and then some. Love it. That's what this was missing this whole time.
guys, as you saw, I guess you could say mission accomplished. 2 seconds faster than my best race PB. And I'm really excited to see how I can tweak and adjust and squeeze even more out of it, because that was hands down the fastest I've gone on my 400 at a track day in practice, hands down. It really is a great bike. I think it has a bit more to be done to it, to be tweaked. Bodywork should be good for at least a couple miles per hour, I think, on the top end. And a little bit of gearing changes. I'm willing to sacrifice some of the low end punch to get more prolonged punch and get the bike to really accelerate into a higher top speed. Also, the 400s, you're kind of rolling the corners so hot that that low end is almost unnecessary, because you never have to dig yourself out really, because you're trying to maximize the roll speed. So I'd rather get more out of that punchy area than just leave it all at the bottom. So we're going to continue to tweak, we're going to continue to build, and I think this is going to be a really, really fun bike once it's all sorted. I really enjoyed riding it today. It really feels like the 400 plus some, which is exactly what it is. The 120 front is far, far better than the 110. I think a little bit of geometry tweaks may be necessary, maybe adjusting the suspension, preload, compression, etc. will make it even better, front and rear. Go ahead and do the race clutch on it anyway. Stiffer springs, better plates. I think that will correct a lot of stuff too. You notice I still was dropping gears every now and then. Yeah, I'm very, very happy with the bike right now, and I'm happy to try to find more. I want to find some more, and stay tuned for more, because I'm just going to keep going on this build. I'm going to see what else we can do. I want to make it better and better and better. But I'm almost feeling like I have more fun on this bike than the R6. Stay tuned. I'm going to keep building. We're going to keep going. And more to come, guys. Later.